Question 15. Bacteria are growing in a liquid growth medium. There were 300,000 cells per milliliter during an initial observation. The number of cells per milliliter doubles every 3 hours. How many cells per milliliter will there be 15 hours after the initial observation? So immediately while we're reading this, you got to recognize that this is going to be an exponential growth model. And that's because the bacteria aren't growing at a linear rate. They're doubling every 3 hours from the whatever amount they had the hour before. So y equals AB to the x over t is going to be our standard form for this. A represents the amount of initial bacteria that we had, which is 300,000. B represents our growth factor, which is going to be 2 since it doubles every 3 hours. And then T is going to be the period that it takes to achieve this growth factor. So it's saying it's going to double once every 3 hours, so that means that the period is 3. Now all we need to do is plug in 15 for x and solve to get our final answer. So that will give us y equals 300,000 times 2 to the power of 5. And that, using your calculators, you can find that that is just 9,600,000, which is answer choice D.